Ethereum, ETH, price is similar to Bitcoin technical analysis, except that the current fade is under the pressure of a far more heavy cap that could trickle a broader sell-off and form a dead cat bounce and bull trap. The 200-day simple moving average gave a firm warning to investors yesterday and this morning that more investments and buyers are needed to break the bear's fortress build-up at that 200-day SMA near $3,450. The RSI already sees a slight nudge to the downside, which could see ETH price action fall back a little bit bigger than foreseen. Expect $3,267 to do the trick and keep the fade in place. That short-term level comes from the base of the bullish triangle XRP broke out off this week. This move would see a pickup on demand from the buy side and could spiral into an accelerated move to the upside, breaking the 200-day SMA quite firmly. A daily close above the 200-day SMA would be the green light for bulls to go ahead and attack the red descending trend line, which would see additional inflow on the buy side from swing traders and longer-term investors, bringing price action back to $4,000 in the medium term. As markets are on edge on any comment from the Fed or any flare-up of geopolitical tensions with Russia or China, expect XRP to be quickly repriced as institutional investors will start to pull out their funds, which would see a shock move to the downside with first drilling on $3,018. The next leg lower will target $2,695, held back in October. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel for more videos.